Yeah, we are doing SOP 4 of FIDC Arts, Commerce and Science in HTML5. So in this we need to write a program using HTML with the following specification. Now, what are the specification is a web page with details about a class with total number of students. Total number is 100 and then 50 boys and 50 girls are there in a tabular form. So example of the tabular form is over here. Now we have to create this tabular form by using the table code, and then we need to link this page to another page. This is the demo of another page where we need to link this page to another page. Now let's start. Okay, SOP4, how it looks like. This is my SOP4. This is my SOP4 page.html, and this is the another page. Now this page has to be linked with this page, so it will get connected with this page. So here in this, okay, tabular form is there, and we had created the output, okay, same as it is. So I'm just linking it. Click on back, forward. The name is demo.html. And here when I click, it will link me to this page over here that we had seen. So now let's see the coding part. This SOP4.html. So doc type HTML indicates I am writing HTML5 coding. HTML tag open, head tag open, title tag open, new page 1 dot new page 1. You can see the title tag, okay, that is over here. That is new page, it is written. Then title tag close, then head tag close. Now body tag open, center tag open, table border is equal to 1, width is 69%. You can see in the page I had occupied almost 60%, 9% of the area of a page, and I have used, okay, the table border 1. Then table row BG color is equal to pink. Now you can see the table row, the complete table row color is the pink. Inside what I have written table data, that is number of students, table data open, table data close, boys, table data open, table data close, girls, table data open, table data close, and TR close. Now here my pink color will get closed over here. Now I am using for another table row another color, that is light green. You can see in the output the another row is light green. So here TR BG color is equal to light green. The same coding you need to copy and paste. Edit pink color by putting light green. Edit, okay, number of students by 100, boys by 50 and girls by 50. So TD 100, 50 and 50, TD open, TD close, TD open and TD close, and TD open and TD close. So here TR was open and TR closed. And table tag was open over here, table tag closed, body tag was open over here, and body tag closed. And at the start HTML tag was open, HTML tag closed. So here is the output. In this way it looks like. Now I'll see the another page, that is demo.html. This is over here. This page looks like this. When I click over here, it will throw me on the first page. The name of the page is demo. See the coding. Doc type HTML head open, title the heading, you can see the heading is written over here. Body tag open, header, and in center what I am writing over here, table border is 1, align is equal to center, table row align is also a center. You can see everything is in the center, including the header, table row, and table border. And inside there is an hyperlink on the standard 11th. You can see standard 11th, it's over here. Here I have given the hyperlink reference by using the anchor tag ahref and it will throw me on the SOP4.html by clicking on standard 11th. Then BR, in the next line I have written stream science, BR, in the next line I have written division A, BR, table data close. tr close, table close, body close, HTML close. So it's very simple. And this we have learned, okay, how to give hyperlink inside the table row, inside the table also. So it's very simple. Just you need to give the anchor tag. A stands for anchor tag. That gives you hyperlink reference. And by clicking on standard 11, it will throw me on the first page, that is sop4.html. We'll see whether we had met all the question criteria. Yes, we had met. Okay, we had made this table. Then we had linked also the table. By clicking on Elan standard, it will throw me on sop4.html. Stream also we had mentioned. All the criteria of the question has been mentioned. Again, we will see the output. This is the demo.html, and this is the first page. Number of students. Click over here. It will throw on the first page. I hope you had understood the experiment. Thank you.